is another interesting blog, Darpan the Art Express. Just look at it. I love the wall display. देखिए कितना सुंदर wall display है. इसे दूर से दिखाती हूँ. देखिए. Entrance point है. कहीं से भी एंट्री ले सकते हैं. But this is very unique. Very unique. Again, and this promotes the lifestyle. I think middle class people also should look into it. Not only ultra rich, but rich guys and middle class people can explore this. Hi Divya. How are you? Good. So thank you for giving your time. So tell me about Darpan more. Like people in my blog would like to know what this organization is. What is your specialty? How do you stand out in Indian market? Yeah, over to you.
Darpan is complete home to home furnishings. Darpan is since 2001.
Okay.
Darpan mainly focus on, recently Darpan is focusing on more wall coverings.
Wall coverings. Okay, wall coverings. I can see it is written French Chateau Elegance.
Yes, this is our royal corridor.
Okay.
We have 5 compartments. In each compartment we have one thing. It's French
In each
Chateau.
compartment you have one
Yes, one
display.
Yes.
Okay.
It's French
This is the
Chateau
combination.
elegance,
French Chateau.
inspired from French.
Okay.
It's a French vintage tapestry design.
Mm-hmm.
With this wall coverings, we have concrete.
Yes.
It's natural sensory.
Okay.
It's also a grass crop material. It's completely natural.
This is grass crop material.
Yes.
Oh, this is very friendly, eco-friendly. You can
Yes.
say. Yeah.
Fabrics also.
Guys, you have to visit this place, and this booth is in the hall 2, the section 2. Do not miss to visit. They are there till tomorrow. This is something my personal, which is Indian Heritage Revival. Amazing display. देखिए कितना सुंदर डिस्प्ले है. ये अगर घर पे हम करते हैं तो घर की शान बढ़ जाएगी.
Complete Indian rich look.
ये मेरे 2 BHK के लिए एप्ट होगा. और कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स मैंने ले ही लिए हैं, तो देर सवेर वो चीज़ होगी. बहुत खूबसूरत. लुक एट द फैब्रिक एंड द डिज़ाइन. दिस इज़ इंडिया गाइज. दिस इज़ इंडियन हेरिटेज. दिस इज़ इंडिया. लुक एट इट. And I'm very impressed by the staff here. They are very knowledgeable again. So please visit. Divya will move to the next one. What is the specialty of this?
It's a wall cladding. It's not wallpaper. It's wall cladding, which
Okay.
is with fabric. It's made.
With fabric it's
Yes.
made. Okay.
Any fabric we can do wall cladding, adding
Wall
foam
cladding.
inside it,
Right.
and we can make panel-based wall cladding.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
And with this wall cladding, in this booth we want to mainly focus on wall cladding. This only wall cladding.
Mhm.
So we have added simple, plain curtains.
Yes, it does look good and elegant. बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है ये. हाँ.
And you can see, and the main point is highlight of the yesterday's and today's parties. This is also a wallpaper. It's not any laminate or something. It's also a wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Complete
Complete wallpaper.
Yes, all is
Okay.
completely about wall coverings.
Very beautiful. Very nice. I think these contracts should come to Indian companies, and people will not hesitate to spend lavishly, provided it fulfill the demand and the need and the look. It's more of emotions than of anything else. तो मेरे इस ब्लॉग में मैंने आपको ये दिखाया है कि इनका जो आउटलेट है ये बहुत यूनिक है. इसने मेरा ध्यान खींचा था अपनी तरफ. मैंने आपको दिखाया ही है. ये देखिए. So please visit this stall, this booth, meet Divya, and
And this is for luxury cabin, which is embroidery wall panels.
has it been sold to any celebrities?
Till now, I think yes. Somebody has taken. And in this, we can customize any design. You can highlight any place which you like.
बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. This is a example, guys. This is a unique panel wall. Embroidery.
Wall panels.
Okay. What do you call this art?
This is wall embroidery.
Wall embroidery only. And this is the bird song they have mentioned here.
Inspired with this.
very 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 nice. The art lovers, vintage lovers, please do visit. I request. आप खुश होके जाएंगे और ऑर्डर लेकर ही जाएंगे.